Wake up time for me is 2 o'clock. I'm at work at 3 o'clock. They let us leave at 3:40. I'm out the door at 3:40.
As a very young boy, I used to ride with my dad on the truck, and it got me to understand what it was like to do the job. And at that time, it was instilled in me what our customers expect and what it was all about, getting out in the elements, getting up very early before everybody else. There's a certain sense of fulfillment and pleasure just to get out before the rest of society wakes up.
Very demanding, just the constant struggle of lifting heavy bags and cans and drudging through snow and ice and just the normal stuff that happens on a day-to-day basis.
A portable restroom typically weighs empty, I would say around 90 pounds. We unload and load them by hand. Accidents will happen. You can potentially, possibly, most definitely get some on you.
These trucks are way hotter than what the outside temperature is. So, and the motor sits right in front of the truck, right behind the dash, and it comes right inside the cab, and it gets really hot.
The hardest part about being a roll-off driver would be the hours of service. Say anywhere between 10 to 14 hours a day.
I was so excited when the day I got the job, and the first day I showed up, I was scared to death when I got in the truck. The hard part of my job is coming into apartment complexes like this. They want to utilize all the space, so they'll put the dumpsters in areas that are very tight to get to.
Yeah, you get a lot of grass clippings. The bags can get very heavy. If they sit for a week, builds a lot of moisture. You're the one that gets the short straw, and you got to get it.
Kids inside apartment complexes, every time you back up, there's a hazard. Every time you pull forward, there's a hazard. I mean, you just have to keep your eyes open all the time and your head moving at all times.
Yeah, I've maintained my commercial driver's license the whole time to this day, and just in case I need to get out on a truck, which I do now and then, because I like to get out with the guys, show them that I came from doing the same thing they're doing every day, and I can still do it pretty good.
I have been a Rumpke employee for almost 31 years. All the guys that I grew up working with here are strong people.
You just do whatever you can to help people. Like if you see somebody that needs help, you just help them. If you have the time, 'cause it only takes a couple seconds to do a good deed and help somebody.
I love working for my money, knowing that you picked up 30,000 pounds, had a hard day's work, you earned your paycheck.
I want my customers to be happy. I want word of mouth to go around. I want them to know that they're getting the service that they're paying for.
That's a big responsibility of our drivers.
The ability to get up every day, be here, to go out, and we can count on them to do the job, do it right, do the best of their abilities, and come back the next day and do it again. That is part of what we have to have here at Rumpke.
We're always looking for good people to give them the opportunity to move up within the organization.
Rewards working at Rumpke. We work every day, rain or shine.
It's a very good living. It's a team effort.
It's like you're your own boss,
Rumpke's the kind of company that they promote within. And if they see something in you, they will always give you the opportunity to move up.
It helped me to provide necessary things for my family, and also for me to put my 3 kids through Catholic school and Catholic high school.
I have a degree in trashology, and I think very highly of that degree. My boss gave that to me. It's pretty cool.
Each street, you look at your watch, you see what time it is your first couple times, then you want to try. I always like to try to improve it, 5, 10, 15, sometimes 30, 40 minutes, just to get done quicker, get home quicker.
Our drivers are the face of the company. They're the ones that are out there that our customers see and talk to and communicate. So it's extremely important that they're professional, because that's the image of our company.
I have a motto, living the dream, thumbs up. Every picture I take, I have a thumbs up.
And Rumpke as a whole, I mean, it's a family.
Yeah, we treat everybody like they're family members, and we expect, you know, to act like family members too.
So if you decide that this opportunity is good for you, I'm going to welcome you to the Rumpke family.